Hello everyone, welcome to PN Memorial Public School. Today we learn about diversity which are given in your social science textbook of class 6. Let this video is created and guidance by PNMPS team. Now we discuss about the diversity. India is a country of diversity. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. However, despite all this, we unite together as Indians. We share the same national symbol, national virtues and feeling. हम कई प्रकार की भाषा बोलते हैं, अनेक प्रकार के भोजन का सेवन करते हैं, अनेक प्रकार का पर्व और उत्सव को एक साथ मनाते हैं, फिर भी हम सभी एक साथ मिलकर अपनी एकता की पहचान बनाते हैं. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज India is a country of diversity. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. But actually, if we think about it, we do not many things that are similar, expect that we do them in different ways. Hence, term unity in diversity is an appropriate terms to describe India. कई प्रकार की भाषा, भोजन, उत्सव, जात, धर्म को एक साथ लेकर हम यही सोचते हैं कि हम एक साथ मिलकर उसे अच्छे तरीके से आगे की ओर पहुंचाएं, क्योंकि भारत की अखंडता में ही एकता दिखाई देती है. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सोशल ग्रुप. द लाइक इन नेचर डाइवर्सिटी कैन बी सीन इन द वेज पीपल लिव इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ह्यूमन बीइंग कैनॉट फुलफिल ऑल देयर नीड्स ऑन देयर ओन्स. यानी मनुष्य अपने जीवन में जो भी ज़रूरतें होती उन ज़रूरतों को इतनी आसानी से या उसे पूरा करने में जद्दोजहद लगाई रहती है. और प्रकृति के अनुसार डाइवर्सिटी को हम पूरे संसार में समाज और देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें एक दूसरे के प्रति निर्भर रहना पड़ता है. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डाइवर्सिटी इन इंटरडिपेंडेंस. Now let we start. Within a social group, people perform different types of activities, skill and educations. This divides the work needed to fulfill the needs of everyone in the group. Actually means the diversity in India. India is a big country with varieties of geographical and climatical conditions. People in different regions of India have their own food, dress, language and ways of lives. भारत एक बहुत ही बड़ी डाइवर्सिटी देश है, क्योंकि भौगोलिक और वातावरण के अनुसार भारत के हर एक क्षेत्र में रहने वाले व्यक्तियों का भोजन, रहन सहन, पर्व, इन सब से एक दूसरे से बहुत ही अलग दिखने को मिलता है, फिर भी हम लोग एक साथ मिलजुल कर रहने की प्रतीक दिखलाते हैं. Now language. In India we have 22 major languages and about 1625 dialects of various languages are spoken within the country. The language most commonly spoken in India can be broadly divided into two groups on the basis of their origin, like Dravidian groups and Sanskrit group. भारत में मुख्यतः 22 भाषाएं बोली जाती है और लगभग 1625 भाषाएं रीजनल फॉर्म में बोली जाती हैं, और इन भाषाओं के मुख्य दो हिस्सों में बांटा जा सकता है, जिसको ड्राविडियन ग्रुप्स और संस्कृत ग्रुप में रखा जाता है. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द रिलीजन. In India there are people of different religious communities. Thought most Indian are Hindus, are also followers of other religions like Islam, Christianity, Sikh, etc. Some religious customs are observed by the followers of the various religious Hindu festival, Holi, Diwali, and Muslim festival, Eid, Muharram, and blessing at dargahs. Well then, भारत के मुख्य भाषाओं को अधिक होने के बावजूद और साथ में बहुत ज़्यादा धर्म और जात के लोग होते हैं. भारत में अनेक धर्म जात के लोग रहते हैं. ज़्यादातर भारतीय हिंदू धर्म के होते हैं और दूसरे धर्म जैसे मुस्लिम, ईसाई और बुद्धिस्ट आदि ये भी भारतीय नागरिक ही होते हैं। अगर वो भारत के स्थायी निवासी हों तो उन्हें भारतीय निवासी के तौर पे ही जाना जाता है। नाउ व्हाट डाइवर्सिटी रियली मीन्स। डिफरेंस अमोंग peoples may involve where a person was born and raised, the person, family, and cultural group factual different in personal identity and chosen differences in a significant belief. Some diversity is primarily cultures, shared belief and behaviors. Other diversity may be biological, that is race, age, gender, and some diversity is defined in personal terms, sexual orientations and religions. Following are the various aspects of diversity. First one is diversity of race. Race refers to what we generally think of as biological differences and is often defined by what some think of as skin color, such precision. Now second point is diversity of cultural background. Cultural like ethnicity refer to share characteristic, language, belief, behavior and identities. We are all influenced by our cultures to some extent. While ethnic groups are typically smaller groups within a larger society, the larger society itself is often called dominant cultures. The term is often used rather loosely to refer to any group with identifiable shared characteristic. Well, the cultures like ethne. The third point, diversity of socio-economic background. People identities are influenced by how they grow up, and part of that background often involves socioeconomic factors. Socioeconomic diversity can contribute a wide varieties of ideas and attitude. Next, diversity of gender roles. Women have virtually all professional and social roles, including those once dominant by men, and men have taken on many roles such as raising a child that were formerly occupied mostly by women. Diversity of age, that is, while younger students attending college immediately after high school are generally within the same age range, older students returning to school bring the diversity of age because they border. Now next is the diversity of religion. For many people, religion is not just a Sunday morning practice but a larger spiritual force that infuse their lives. Religion help shape different ways of thinking and behaving, and thus diversity of the religion. Thank you for watching this video. We can now learn on the basic part, and the next topics will be discussed on the next video. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to PN Memorial Public School.